get stuck here, the cops won't bother me. So, make sure you fit it the right way. The left side is where the cables are for the throttle. So fit it in here. So, because it'll be a pain in the ass to get in there. So this one goes on here, which is the short one, I believe. You're going to fit it into that hole in the carburetor on the right. And this one's a little bit harder to do. And I think if you turn it almost at an angle upside down, it'll be a lot easier. And that's in there. Now remember, we had this hose that went from one side of the carburetor to the other. That's quite nice that it fits in so easy. Now we just have to push them in. And look down, make sure that they line up with that rubber boot. And this one is in. A peek around the side here. And you have to push it in. Just by moving it left and right, you should feel it go in. But once your carburetor is in there, it's time to tighten up the boots. The best thing that I found is that you need to position them in a way that it's easy to eventually remove the carburetor again. And the top one holds it to the carburetor. And you don't want any air coming on either side. So very important to have this nice and tight. It is nice and secure. Push it down, and then this clamp needs to be a little bit further up. It's like 2 millimeters from the other clamp or so, and then tighten that one up. That one attaches the motor, the rubber to the motor. These are the throttle cables, and you can actually like lube them up now. I'm not going to do that just yet, but eventually I will lube these up. But it's always a good practice to lube them. Take this little pin and you loop it. Oh, there we go. It's through the front. Anyway, so then tighten it. That's good. It would be bad if I tightened it. And just using your hands. Doesn't have to be too tight. And here we go. That's the top cable, and all you have to do now is to adjust it. Just to make sure that everything fits properly. This one.